April is Child Abuse Awareness Month. That's why we're all wearing blue this morning. Did you know that 9 children are reported abused or neglected every hour in Missouri? And in Illinois, there are 222 reports of child abuse every single day. And things have gotten worse during the pandemic. We spoke to a few programs here locally that are fighting to stop it.
We can't show you pictures of the broken bones. We can't show you the cigarette burns. We can't show you the neglect that these kids are facing. If we could show you, you would take action.
Mike Duggar is president of Lutheran Family and Children's Services of Missouri.
Child abuse is a reality, and we need to do everything we can to fight it.
LFCS saw a 91% increase in calls for help in 2020.
This is not an issue of socioeconomics. It's not a racial issue. Child abuse and neglect occurs across every spectrum.
Duggar says the goal is to always keep the child in the home, and they do that by removing stressors, providing rent, food, and counseling. But this past year has been unlike anything they've seen.
The stressors that are already there in life, we're seeing it multiplied.
It has really been a challenge.
St. Louis Crisis Nursery says the need is at a level they haven't seen since their inception, some 35 years ago.
The stress that just not having food or not having diapers that can cause is very serious and can cause depression.
The nursery has a handful of locations across the St. Louis metro and has stayed open 24 hours a day during the pandemic. They've provided more than 160,000 hours of crisis care, and some 2,000 families have been a part of their family empowerment program.
We provide unconditional love to our children.
Both say the best thing you can do, especially with many kids still out of school, is report any abuse you see.
The early intervention, getting in there, helping these families, helping these kids as soon as possible will help us really turn the curve. And
the National Domestic Abuse Hotline is available 24/7. That number is 1-800-799-SAFE. It's also there at the bottom of your screen. And there are ways that you can help, like simply wearing blue in April to raise awareness. LFCS is also in dire need of loving foster families right now. We've posted links on this story on KSDK.com. There you can also find an Amazon wish list from Crisis Nursery.